Hey guys, this is just Karen with Planning with Care Bear, and today I'm going to plan out the week of the week we're on right now. And disclaimer, it's already Thursday, but I needed to get back in the swing of filming. So it's the 25th of August through the 31st. So we're going to be using the same kit that I used in my hourly, which is kit 281 from Black Dog Sticker Co. You can find her on Etsy and use Karen PR20 and get 20% off. This is kit 281. It's called Ice Cream Social. So I will be using that this kit. So let's get started. Okay, let's see. How have I been doing this? That way I don't have like 3 stuck together like they are on the sheets. Let's see. One, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how I did it. I'm going to use this as a reference while I'm putting down the date scripts. Okay, so we did Monday here, and then Tuesday can go up here, and then Wednesday we'll go back in one of these. Okay, and then we'll do Thursday, and then I will do Friday, and then Saturday, and I need to fix that. That's going to bug me. I'm just trying to make sure. Let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It just looks weird with all of these 3 all on the same side, but it works out when I'm laying them down. That's what I was checking. Okay, so now let's put our dates down. Hmm. 25th. If you guys are interested in me back planning the weeks that I missed with my camera being down, comment in this or make a comment in the comment section and let me know if you want me to back plan. That would be back planning in my hourly, which I'm trying to get my hourly set up. I'm ordering like some of the back kits because I was using the vertical. So I can't order them all at one time. So I'm going to be ordering them a little bit at a time, and when they come in, then I will put them down. So if you want to see that, like I said, my memory planner, my hourly, and I think I got a couple in here, maybe 1 or 2 that I need a back plan. So just let me know. $2.49. I need to go find something to eat when I get done filming because I am hungry. And then we got Sunday. Okay, so got those down. Is that right there? Wait a minute, I need to do this other first. Okay. I need to do this section first. Not used to the A5 Daily Duo yet. Okay, so I want to get my pen. Maggots. August. Through the 31st. Okay. Can't remember if I go okay, sorry about that, my battery died right in the middle. Okay, let's see. That's better, a lot better. And what I do so I don't have this, have to white out this right here, I'll show you on this one. I take a strip of the washi, which I have to figure out where I got it from. Oh, this. I take a strip of this washi and I put it between the two columns so it makes it look polished. Am I going to have to take it up again? I'm going to step away and get this settled and I'll be right back. Okay, I got it situated. And so I'm going to show you here what I do. I take this strip of washi and I did I have any more washi from? What did I do with my kit that I was using? I have no idea. Oh well. I was going to see if I had a different, here it is, different washi, because this washi is the same as this. Well, that's not. This has got the ice cream cones on it, and this is just like this one. And I don't think, no, it's too short. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like that. It'd be perfectly okay. So let me get a strip of this washi to come off the date, days of the week. Okay. Okay. So we got this all set up now. So now I'm going to take this week's script and I'm going to put it right here. And I try not to put it crooked, which is what I just did. Okay. I just had a message come through on my phone. Okay, get rid of these little scraps there. Okay, so then I'm gonna do next week. And then, I'm going to select this to do because I'm not worried about running out of to-dos because I have them right here. So I'm going to take this to do and I'm going to put it right here, this habit tracker. Okay. Then I'm going to put down my habit tracker. Okay, let's see. What I put down here was AM meds, AM routine, PM meds, PM routine, read, and CPAP. So, since it's already Thursday, I'm going to go ahead and check these off that I've done. Okay. And what I'm going to start using this side for right here is for a meal plan. I'm not going to do it this week because, like I said, already Thursday. But I want to start using that for my meal plan. Okay. So now that we got the wag all taken care of, going to start putting these okay. Put our to-do down and then take one of these strips of checklists and let's see if I can get it lined up. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to see I'm going to use one of these. I always have to turn mine upside down to put these in. That way I make sure that they are where they need to be and all lined up. Okay, what was I tracking in this one? Okay, I was tracking my PWK stuff, which is Planning with Care Bear. Okay, I'm going to finish putting these down and then I'll be right back. Okay, I got them all laid down and now I'm going through and putting this stuff in that I'm looking at my other planner. I'm not going to put this across it like you would do in the in this kind of planner because of the label being so long, so I'm just going to put it underneath and that way I know that we rescheduled that one. Let's see. On Tuesday, it was a shit show of appointments, it felt like. Sorry for my language, guys. It just was that way, though, on Tuesday. I triple booked us on appointments, and I think the reason I did was because I didn't have my planner all organized. So, we made this appointment. This was her pain doctor appointment. And then at 2, at 2, at 2. Okay. I'm gonna put these, and we'll put this one starting right, like it's a 1:30 slot, because I'm gonna need room. Reschedule. That's not even. It's hard to even something out that's already on a slant. still got to call and reschedule this appointment for me and my daughter's our asthma and allergist doctor. Okay. There we go for that one. And then, Wednesday was trash day. Okay. And then I got a Happy Meal in. Oh wait, I can do this other sticker that I tried to do earlier in the other planner. Okay. And then here is where we started filming. So what I'm going to do now I had 3 of these, and I was trying to put too much paper in the third one, and it ripped. So now I only have 2. So now I have to be careful when I'm putting things in. Because I don't think they have these clear ones anymore, and I'm not a big fan of the color ones they have. I have to order me some more of these. Okay, so we're just going to do Planning with Kipper here. And then I'm not liking that's writing really scratchy. Doing the same thing that I did in my 7x9. Put the shop name there, and then I'm drawing a dotted line there. Okay, so then it was Okay, September kits. And I still haven't, I need to go watch Big Brother before I try to watch it tonight. Because I recorded it last night and then I just never got around. I was more interested in my book. Okay. And then upload. Okay. So we did film it. We did edit it. And it's uploaded. So now I need to let's see, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna have to use some of these. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do the big boxes. Yeah, brother. Okay. And then we got Home Patrol again. And then here we've got okay, so let's get these down. I'm not going to put it all the way down because I need to do my AM and PM routine. So I'm just going to put it like right. I'm just ignoring the time so I can get it on there. Oh, that's Wednesday. Okay, that's fine. And then we got Thursday. And then we've got on patrol. On patrol. And Big Brother. Okay. I hope I'm not coming down sick. I have a really sore, scratchy throat, and my daughter does as well. So hope to the good Lord we're not getting sick, because I don't have time to be sick. Okay. AM meds. This one's gonna be read. I don't know why I'm putting these down, because I have them over here. I have them right here. But yeah, somehow I tell myself anyway that it helps when you have it on the page you're working on. So we'll see if that helps. Okay. AM meds. And I used to be on a water kick. I mean, I wouldn't drink hardly anything else unless we went to a restaurant and got like sweet tea. And I fell off the wagon, and now I can't seem to get back on the wagon. As that goes a little Mountain Dew. Okay, so now I'm going to do the PM routine with you guys, and then I'm going to step aside and put them and put the rest of them down. Okay, I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I was only gonna do just the routines, and then I got sidetracked and forgot to even come back on the video, so I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, here is Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. You get kind of a sneak peek of which videos is going to be filmed. Friday and Saturday and Sunday. On Friday and Sunday I'm going to be filming 2 videos, and technically right here as well, but I'm going to, since I finally got the August kit which matches this, the ice cream social, I'm going to put it down, but I'm going to do August and September together, because that way it'll be a little bit of a longer video for you guys. So all I got to do now is just do my to-dos. Let's see, I didn't put down, Haley's got an appointment today. I knew something looked like it was missing. did them in. I think I already took those out. I need one of those. So there. Oh, there it is. Okay. I wish they'd make these in the A5 size. Okay, so this is gonna be Haley, right there, and then Payday. That's Crooked. We go for that, and then I need to and then throwing my pen all over the place. Okay, that is that. So I am going to sign off from here for now. And I'm going to put my to-dos down and all that off camera. That way I can think about what I really needed to do. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and joining our family. We would love to have you on this channel. Thanks everybody. Have a good day. God bless.